1, 2, 3, go. Go, Alexis! Thanks. What that mouth do? Let's see. You're doing dishes tonight. Okay, so I wrote a little speech for you guys. I'm gonna try not to cry or throw up. I just want to thank everyone for coming. Seriously, there's so many people here. I'm so glad you all made time to show up today. It really means a lot to us. Thank you to my love bugs, shout out, for being over here because our lives would not be the same without y'all. Thank you to all the sponsors who made this venue look exactly like how I imagined it. It looks beautiful, and I appreciate all of it. Thank you to everyone who helped us pay for everything because this was not cheap. So thank you so much. But most important, thank you to our family because without your support, me and Nathan would be lost. Thank you to my family who has since day one treated Nathan like he was a part of the family. Always! And thank you. But most importantly, thank you to my mom for always being my rock and for raising me to be strong and brave. I wouldn't be who I am today without you, and I hope I'm half the mom that you are. We feel so lucky to know that our child, whether it's a boy or a girl, will be so loved by everybody in this room, and we're really, really excited. Thank you. Oh, Nathan has something to say as well.
I mean, my voice is kind of gone, but I do want to say one thing real quick. I consider everybody in here family, and I just want to welcome the newest member to our family. So everybody here and celebrate. Let's have a good time. I'm spooking.